Teresa Yumutya Ola. A student currently studying General Academic Studies at G. Astilia Senior Cultural Minority High School. This is Janice Prahes Cadete, 18, Purukbas Dashpi, Yumutya number 2. A senior high school student currently taking General Academic Studies at Gerardo Astilia Senior Cultural Minority High School. I am Grace Chavez, 17, proudly representing Upper Malongan B in Yurmutya number 3. Pursuing Bachelor of Science in Social Work at the University of Mindanao, this is Bianca Opada Pulvera, 18, proud and loudly representing Sitio Titagopi, Yurmutya number 4.
Taking Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management at University of Mindanao. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Jillian Jane Enoch, 19, proudly representing Crossing Titugo, Yurmutya number 5. A senior high school student currently studying General Academic Strand at Gerardo Astilia Senior Cultural Minority High School. Proud, honored, and dignified, I am Liza Autentico Sapit, 19, proudly representing Upper Balungunay, Yurmutya number 6. A senior high school student